Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bluing liquid is probably one of the most overlooked laundry products, yet it holds the key to achieving brilliantly white clothes. For years, it's been a secret weapon for achieving that crisp, fresh look that makes your whites pop and your colors look more vibrant. But with so many options available, choosing the right bluing liquid can be tricky. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of bluing, exploring its benefits, how it works, and most importantly, helping you find the perfect bluing liquid to transform your laundry routine. Number 5. STEWART'S Bluing. Is your white laundry looking dull and dingy? It's time to bring back the bright. This amazing product will help you achieve that. For generations, it has been a trusted solution for laundry care. Discover the secret to sparkling whites. It gently whitens your clothes without harsh chemicals, keeping your fabrics looking their best. It's safe for your clothes and your family. A little goes a long way. This concentrated formula is economical and effective, providing you with many washes. Experience the difference that this product makes. Get ready for the brightest, cleanest whites you've ever seen. Simply add it to your wash cycle for brilliantly white clothes. It's that simple. What we like? It effectively whitens your whites without harsh chemicals. Its concentrated formula means a little goes a long way, saving you money in the long run. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective way to brighten your laundry, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This product has been sold virtually unchanged for well over a century. It works. It does exactly what it states. Make sure you use a measuring spoon or cup. Follow the instructions and your whites will be bright white. A family friend told me about this product to help with my dingy whites. It was my first time using it today and it did not disappoint. It may take a few washes, but I can already tell the difference. The bottle does give you great instructions, so follow as instructed. Number 4. STEWART'S Liquid Bluing, 3-pack. Keep your whites bright and your colors vibrant with STEWART'S Liquid Bluing. It's the simple way to make your laundry look its best. This convenient 3-pack provides you with plenty of bluing for all your laundry needs. You'll always have some on hand when you need it. Each bottle contains 8 ounces of concentrated bluing, giving you long-lasting freshness and brightness for your clothes. With a total of 24 ounces, this pack offers exceptional value and ensures you'll have enough to keep your laundry sparkling clean for months. It's the perfect solution for keeping your whites bright and your colors vibrant. Say goodbye to dingy laundry. Simply add it to your wash cycle for brilliantly clean laundry. It's that easy. What we like? Get 3 8-ounce bottles for the price of almost 2. This is a great value option if you use bluing regularly. If you're looking for a convenient and economical way to keep your whites bright, this bulk pack is ideal for you. What people say. A little bit is all you need. It is awesome. Add it to the water first, let it mix and then add your white clothes. It will brighten up drab-looking whites and even stale-looking blue laundry. This stuff works great. My whites are already looking a little whiter now. Previously my white towels and t-shirts had yellowed a bit over time and was nothing bleach could help or prevent. I've heard that using bluing is a cumulative effect. The more often it is used the more white whites will become. It brightens and cleans my lights and whites. Don't need much. I use it on light clothing, linens, towels, and pillows. I don't use hot water and it works perfectly. Number 3. STEWART'S Liquid Bluing. Keep your whites bright and vibrant with this gentle bluing. It's safe for your clothes and easy to use. This liquid bluing is perfect for adding to your laundry routine. Just shake it well before using. Always dilute it in cold water before adding to your wash. A little goes a long way. Mix a few drops, up to a quarter teaspoon, into cold water before adding to your wash water. Simple and effective. If you accidentally add too much and get stains, soak the fabric overnight in a solution of ammonia and water to remove them. Get sparkling clean whites every time with this simple and effective solution. Say goodbye to dingy laundry. What we like? This bluing gently whitens your clothes without damaging the fabric. It's easy to use and requires only a few drops per wash. If you are looking for a gentle and effective way to brighten your whites, this is a great option for you. What people say. It's an amazing product for making your whites extra bright. Plus it lasts for a very long time. No matter what you do, they end up dingy and gray. None of it worked as well as Mrs. Stewart's liquid bluing. It's inexpensive, effective, and easy to use. Definitely worth a try. Number 2. Mrs. Stewart's Bluing 8 ounces. For generations, it's been a trusted laundry essential. Discover the secret to brighter, whiter whites. It gently brightens fabrics, removing dinginess and yellowing. See the difference it makes. Simply add a small amount to your wash cycle. It's that simple. It's perfect for whites, linens, and other delicate fabrics. Watch your laundry come alive with brilliance. This convenient pack gives you 2 8-ounce bottles, ensuring you always have enough on hand. Stock up and save. It's a time-tested formula that delivers exceptional results. Experience the difference quality makes. What we like. This pack offers 2 bottles for your convenience. You'll always have a spare on hand. If you need a convenient and readily available option to keep your whites bright, this is a great choice for you. What people say. This works like a charm, effectively brightens whites and gets the icky yellow out from bleaching. Crisp, white sheets, towels, and linen. Have been using this on my clothes for 3 months now, and they've never looked better. The yellow tint of aging is gone, the colors are brighter and they work for all colors. This is a great product for making anything up here snow white. I actually had a few drops to my conditioner and forego the 4 blonde treatment for my white hair. Number 1. Bluette Laundry Bluing. Keep your whites bright and your colors vibrant with Bluette. It's the concentrated formula that makes a big difference in your laundry. Bluette is a concentrated liquid laundry bluing that brightens whites and keeps colors looking their best. A little goes a long way. Simply add it to your wash cycle for sparkling clean clothes. It's easy to use and delivers amazing results. Unlike other products, it's specially formulated to gently brighten fabrics without harsh chemicals. Get the brilliant whites you've always wanted. Experience the Bluette difference. Say goodbye to dull clothes and hello to vibrant, sparkling clean laundry. This convenient pack contains 3 16-ounce bottles, providing you with plenty of bluing for all your laundry needs. It's economical and effective. What we like. This pack contains 3 large 16-ounce bottles, providing a significant amount of bluing for your laundry needs. It's highly concentrated, so each bottle lasts a long time. If you're a large household or frequently wash whites, this bulk option will save you time and money. What people say. I am a housekeeping manager at a very large hotel and have tried every product out there to keep our linens white. I purchased this product and tried it 2 different ways. I added it to the wash cycle and the results were amazing from one use. For the more dingy discolored sheets and pillowcases I soaked overnight and then washed them. They look new again. When I was a kid my mom used this product and it brightened all my white clothes like a blinding white. When I received the product it didn't seem to work as well as I remember it did when I was younger, but it still brightens your whites from the dullness of age and dryer damage. Great for colored clothes as well to brighten colors. This will easily last you an incredible amount of time when used correctly. It also has a pleasant smell to it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.